Hello dear students, in this video I'm going to explain about logical operators. So let's take a look at what are logical operators. Let's say in your code you are using certain relational statements to check some operands if they are true or not. Let's say you want to check if two values, let's say one you are storing inside A and one you are storing inside B, and you want to check if the condition for both of them satisfy or not. So when we have to combine these kind of statements together in order to get the Boolean values, that is true or false, we use operators such as and, or, and not. So AND operator will return true if and only if both the operands are true. Or in simple words, I can say that if both the condition satisfies. Or condition will return true if at least either of the two operands are true. And finally, the not operator returns true if the value is not true. Now let's take a look at how they work in the code window. So let's say I have a variable named A, and here I'm storing a value which is 15. Now let's say I have another variable which is B, and I'm storing another value which is 25. Now maybe I want to check if both the numbers are divisible by 5 or not. So I'll be putting A modulus 5 equals to 0 and B modulus 5 equals to 0. Now let's see what happens if we run this code. See, it returns true. Now, I will just make simple alteration in the value. So 15, I will make it as 17, and let's see what is the output. Now see, it comes false because definitely 17 is not divided by 5. It cannot be divided by 5. So here the first condition fails, but the second condition is true. Hence, there is an AND operator which we are using to join these two conditions. So we get the output as false. But if we replace this AND operator with the OR operator and then run the code, we get true because we already learned that in the OR operator, either of the two conditions must be true, which means that one condition can be true and the other condition can be false. Still we would get the output as true. Now, I can use NOT operator in this case, like I can use not A modulus 5 equals to 0 or B modulus 5 equals to 0. This means that if the first condition is false, then we are going to get the output as true. Let's run this code. See, we get the output as true, which means that even if A modulus 5 is not equals to 0, but hence here we have used the not operator beforehand, so we get the output as true. So this is how these three operators work. Please use it. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.